Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a flower vase that you out of newspaper, and we are going to recycle it. For it we just need some Fevicol, scissors, a compass, pencil, and a pen. And so we are going to start with a newspaper sheet. We are going to cut it into 4 equal parts. So afterwards it will look like this. Now I'm going to fold it into 3 equal parts like this. And now that you have folded it into 3 equal parts, we are going to cut each of the part. And after we cut it, we are going to get this much thick strip of a newspaper. Now we are going to take the ink of a ball pen. You can also use a very thin straw, but I didn't got that much thin, so I'm using a pin's ink. Now, we are going to start with the corner, any corner. I generally go left to right, and then to roll it up till the end. Yes, just like this. Make sure it's tight, and if it gets loose, you can start from the beginning. So it looks good. Now after I have folded fully, I'm going to take this ink off my roll, and then I'm going to glue it like this and stick it over here. So we are going to make 51 such strips, and like these and many more, and we are going to stick them all together. After we stick them all together, we are going to cut it to form a straight line, and then we are going to get something like this. These are 51 such tubes, and I've cut them into straight line. Now for then we will stick them all together like this, and as you can see, there is no base from the inside, so we are going to make the base. Now for the base, we are again going to use such tubes, and we are going to just roll it up like this. It will be very hard, don't worry, you're going to correct. And after you have rolled it fully, you glue its ends. I'm using white glue, you can use any glue like this, and make it show that it's very much, it's tight and not loose. And you can see it's too small for our waist, so we're going to pull so many tubes around it, and afterwards when it's complete, it's gonna look like this. So to make sure this is the perfect size for the base, we are going to check. Um, well, it is the perfect size for its base. Now, for we can't keep empty pots, we are going to make some roses. To make roses, we are going to get another sheet of newspaper like this. It's half part of a full newspaper. I'm going to cut it into half. Now, after we have cut it, this newspaper into 2 equal parts, we are going to make a very big circle. Don't make it too big that it runs out of the newspaper. So we are going to use this pencil and a compass. And after we have done this circle, we are going to start with any point and make a spiral. Try to make it a bit equal. Now after we have done this thing, we are going to cut it. And after cutting, it will look somewhat like this, quite springy. Now we will start rolling this thing up. Like this. Now I have completed my rolling of the newspaper's spiral. I'm going to glue it like this. And this is a small rose. You can now add a tube under it to make it look more beautiful. After it gets sticks, you can add it to your vase. Now I have another idea of making a rose, for this is not my idea. I have used someone else, so I'm going to give you my idea too. Now, for my idea, it's quite simple. This one is a bit difficult, so I'm going to tell you my idea. For that, we're gonna need 4 squares of newspaper. You can take any part of that newspaper. Now, I'm going to fold this into half, so it becomes a triangle. Now I'm going to again fold this into half, like this, and again. So I'm going to fold it into half 3 times. Next, from this side, I'm going to make a shape of the petal like this. After we have done with this, I'm going to cut out this shape. This is how. Now I'm going to get perfection. Then we are going to open this up and we are going to get a 8-petal flower, newspaper flower. Now we are going to do the same with all these squares. Like we're going to make all these in like this flower in the same way. Now I have cutted all the 4 squares into 4 flowers. So the next step is cutting the flower petals. And the first one, I'm going to cut 1 petal like this. And in the second one, 2 petals. And the third one, 3 petals. And the fourth one, of course, 4 petals. Now we are done with it. There are a step left. Now I'm going to glue, I'm going to put glue on a petal like this. I'm going to mix it and stick it like this. Now I'm going to glue the same way in the different petal. Same with the third one. And the fourth one too. like this. Next, the leftover cutouts, I'm going to use a 3-petal. I'm going to stick it like this. And I'm going to use the last one, the 1-petal. I'm going to curl it so it looks like a new petal coming from inside. We have to roll it like this. Now we have glued all of them. We'll start with the flower. Now the biggest flower, I'm going to glue in the next biggest flower, and then the 3-petal. No, sorry, 4-petal. Next is 3-petal. Next 3 petals, and the last one is 2 petals, like this. Now you can see, I hope this one's better than the older one. I like this idea much more than that one. And in the same way, I'm going to stick a little stick on its bottom, and I'm going to put it in my vase. And ta-da! And that's how your finished vase and flower will look like. I hope you liked it. It's fully recycled, beautiful, and you can decorate it in your drawing room, living room, and even in your bedroom. So don't forget to subscribe, and please do give a thumbs up or like it if you enjoyed the video. And please try it at your home. Thank you.